At Golf Car UK, we're proud to introduce the innovative lineup from Madjax. From private estates to commercial resorts, let's explore the performance, comfort and versatility of each model in the Madjax range. Meet the Madjax E2, built for the modern golfer. Its whisper-quiet electric motor keeps your game peaceful, while advanced suspension and ergonomic seating deliver unmatched comfort from the first tee to the 18th green. With a sleek, compact design and zero emissions, the E2 glides effortlessly across the course. Reliable, stylish and golf-ready, the Madjax E2 is more than a buggy. It's part of your game. Need a little more room? The Madjax E4 offers 4 comfortable seats without compromising performance. Whether it's moving guests around your property or enjoying a leisurely ride with the family, the E4 delivers space, safety and smooth performance in one stylish package. For increased capacity, the Madjax E6 is your go-to 6-seater. Designed for hospitality venues, event grounds and luxury estates, the E6 combines a luxury ride with practicality, ensuring your guests move in comfort and style. Versatility meets power with the Madjax X2+2. This 4-seater offers the durability of a utility vehicle with extra passenger space. Ideal for estates, farms or even security patrols, it's compact, rugged and ready for anything. When it comes to moving people with efficiency, the Madjax X6 stands out. With seating for 6 and a rugged yet refined build, it's perfect for resorts, large venues and team transport, all while delivering exceptional electric performance and low maintenance. And finally, the Madjax E2 Shuttle, built with accessibility in mind. It features a rear boarding platform and flexible seating, making it ideal for transporting guests, clients or staff with ease. Perfect for airports, hospitals or events where comfort and quick loading matter most. Whether you're managing a luxury resort, hosting large events or simply want a reliable electric vehicle for everyday use, there's a Madjax for you. Discover the full range today at madjaxuk.com.